called You Can't Code Under Pressure number 1. Code as fast as you can. You need to double the integer and return it. And so I don't know that I would call that pressure, but how about if we just return n times 2, right? That's what doubling is, multiplying by 2. I don't think there's anything to say about this. So yeah, I would appreciate if you could give me some feedback. I've mentioned in other videos how the order, even though I always filter by the easiest challenge, that they kind of vary pretty wildly, I guess I would say, in difficulty, where I'm kind of looking for a nice upward progression. Can you let me know if you think this is helpful, where I just automatically do every challenge, or if we've already covered stuff like this, like how to multiply numbers, would it be better if I just omitted this challenge? You know, I could do it on my own and submit it and not make a video for it. Or I don't mind doing it, I just trying to make the viewing experience as pleasant as possible and help you learn. So if you could let me know how you feel about that, that could help direct me. Maybe some of these I'll just omit in the future. But yeah, you entirely know how to multiply numbers at this point. So I'm going to submit. I'd appreciate that feedback. I've got a couple others that I looked at. I looked ahead a little bit, and they're dead simple too. I guess I'll make videos for them for now. And if I get a lot of feedback saying don't even bother, then I'll stop doing that. Thanks for your input in advance, and I'll see you in the next one.